can you kick the ball? Good kick. Where'd you go? Can you put it down on the ground and kick it?
Yeah.
Can you kick it with your foot? Oh, you got distracted. That's my phone charger. Do you like it? Did you sneeze?
No.
Bless you. Killian, who's on your shirt? Thomas? What does he say?
Oh.
Choo choo. Okay. Bye bye, honey.
Bye.